Welcome to this updated guide on how to make a WhatsApp group video call for specific people. In today's digital age, staying connected with friends and family across different locations has never been easier, thanks to WhatsApp's group video calling feature. This feature allows you to connect with up to 32 people at once, making it perfect for family gatherings, team meetings, or just catching up with friends. To start a group video call, first, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Once you're in, navigate to the group chat where you want to initiate the call. If you don't have a group chat set up yet, you can easily create one by tapping the pen icon in the top right corner of your screen, selecting New Group, and adding the contacts you wish to include. Now, let's dive into the steps to make a group video call. Open the WhatsApp group chat you want to video call. At the top right of your screen, you'll see a video call icon. Tap on this icon to begin setting up your group call. A pop-up window will appear, showing you the group name and the option to select participants. Tap on the group name in this window to proceed. You'll then be able to select which contacts from the group you want to include in the call. Choose the specific people you wish to call and tap Call to initiate the video call. As the call connects, you'll see the participants join one by one. You can manage the call by muting yourself, turning your video on or off, or even adding more people if needed. Remember, the quality of the call depends on the internet connection of all participants, so ensure everyone has a strong connection for the best experience. WhatsApp's group video calling feature is incredibly user-friendly and allows you to connect with multiple people simultaneously, making it a powerful tool for both personal and professional use. Whether you're organizing a virtual family reunion or a team meeting, this feature has got you covered. So go ahead, give it a try, and enjoy seamless communication with your loved ones or colleagues from anywhere in the world.